yeah, guys, what's up? Welcome back to TNT Genetics on... Nope. Welcome back to Wicked. Nope. Welcome back to Twisted Works on TNT Genetics. All links will be in the description to all of our Instagram, YouTube, all that other good stuff. So today, we have a 10 amp Hammerhead router. The same brand as the saw, or this, Jesus, I've had one too many beers, I think, today. Same brand as the Orbit sander that I got. This is going to be, yeah, 10 amp variable speed router. This is probably going to get the most use, other than the sander, for the tables, for river tables, epoxy tables. I've been doing hack jobs lately on our unboxing videos. Oh, I tell ya. So let's get at her. Oh, that's kind of high. I wonder if you guys can see that. I just want to stand up and make sure. Come on, screen. Jesus. So you open it up. So that's how it's packed. You got your useful instructions. Those stupid twist ties, I tell ya. On everything. No good for nothing. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Coda, come on. There you guys have it. The Hammerhead router. It's not too bad. Wrench on board, if you guys can see that. Change your bits, which is good. It has... What's that? That's your speed, or your what? That's your... Yep, that's your speed. You have your little button here. It makes the plate go up and down, see? Go all the way down, which is nice. Everything seems to feel nice and good. Coda, you're in the basement. Coda, you're in the freaking basement. There's nothing to bark about. Jesus, Coda. Coda. Don't make me shut the camera off. Yeah. Coda. If I know anything from anything, guys, I really have no idea. Honestly, straight up, I have to read the instructions because I have no idea what the hell you use that for. Yep, no idea. That. It has a screw on the end. Maybe some kind of... Does that maybe go like so? What does that do? Oh, maybe that's a router guide. Jeez, I don't know. Guys. Yeah, one on each side, so okay. Okay, you unscrew that. You put that in. Oh, it's a router guide. I knew that, guys. I knew that. So, yeah. You unscrew that. You unscrew that. Hopefully, you guys can see. Little twisty thing here. Coda! Okay, so that's your edge guide. Yeah, okay. So you would screw it on like so. And that would go along the edge of your wood. I guess you could use it either way depending on the piece you're doing. Which, hey, that's actually a pretty damn cool thing. Because I can, oh yeah, actually I'm kind of, yeah guys, yeah. I can bring that right in. Oh, it sits on there perfect. And I mean, you can, instead of trying to do freehand edges, like the edge of a table, look at your coffee table right now. Guaranteed it's probably been routed, but that gives you a nice straight edge. I'm old school. We never had no such thing back in the day. I don't know. I didn't, guys. But, yeah, I'm super excited for that. I think, yeah, because that would go light. Yeah, so you have a piece of wood. Yeah, I think. If I'm doing it wrong, guys, please tell me. But it looks like exactly what I have doing it here. And you just slide it along your piece of edge of wood. If it's finished piece, I think I would put some foam on that or something. But if I got it all wrong, it's trippy thought. It is what I say it is. If I'm wrong, guys, too freaking bad. It's still what I say it is. Okay. I had to add this in the video because I forgot to mention the router. I paid $76.59 Canadian for it, US site. It is $82.63. Huh, it's more expensive on the US site. That is uniquely weird. Super weird, anyways. The variable speed is 11,000 to 28,000 revolutions per minute. I know I forgot to mention that other piece of plastic in the video. You attach that and then you attach the shop vac. So that should collect most of the dust, but whatever. Hell yeah, guys, now back to the video. Let's plug it in. Let's plug it in. Oh, that's not the speed. Haha. That's to fine tune. Like, I mean, like, super fine tune the level. Jeez. Oh, the speed's over here. That's on low. I like it. It's not too loud. It seems pretty decent. I'm quite impressed with this Hammerhead, guys. Even though I butchered everything I do, but hey. A little eyepiece, I can see what I'm doing. And that probably would hold it so you can change it. Make sure whenever you play with anything, you always unplug it. Don't be a trippy and lose a finger. Yeah, that little button, that's exactly what it does. Twist that so you can use the wrench. Oh, guys, you know what this means? I just gotta try it. I gotta try it with the new bits. Oh, I just kicked my dog in the head, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. I just grabbed a fine one. You can't really see that. Okay, I had GoPro issues at the end of that video, so that's going to be it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry about the GoPro issues, and have a great day. Make sure you stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay doing what you love. Hell yeah, cheers, y'all.